smaller so I can still see my screen. That's fine. Oh, sorry for the ads. So there are now ads on biomedical.com. I thought I don't see them when I'm accessing it from my IP, but obviously I still do. And I'm talking this with gaps because I can hear myself in the other ear. Framing. Main window. And I'll bring Labview onto the screen in a sec. Just figure out what is it trying to do. Yeah, it was this tool that we still were trying to work on. There's actually entropy and entropy. Is it 1? No, 2. Look at should okay, I'll bring the Windows NXG. To another window, so add the capture. This will be the web. What is this? Skill filtering, transform, right fit to screen. This is better. Just have it. Okay, now I have it on full screen. So this is the new. This would be the next version. So entropy is stable and beta is prototype. This tool should be So first we want to pull out the entropy from Matlab, just compare to the entropy measurement from Labview. That will be somehow, that's probably be this graph. And this is what this is the backend. And it's calling this entropy function. That's working okay. But I need another version of it. Yeah, this 0.95 is the calculated from Labview. It is to return the values. At the moment, there's two parameters. This should return this type of values around 0.95, 0.96, and fix these values here should be like in this graph around 0.95, 0.96. The spectral entropy, I need that so I can compare this entropy number generated by Labview, which is seem to be very large. This is the beta version. So now this entropy thing has two versions. One's called just entropy. This is the original, the first release. It's working okay, but then there's this beta version which will have some extra features. This can actually display, have a hover like this one. That's obviously can. Those are not the LEDs, so I need to be clear. They look like controls, but they're actually just the indicators. You can't press on them. Those are indicators on the left. So potentially I just should put the indicators on the in a separate box. In Matlab, the function should just replicate what. Yeah, those are the numbers that I should have returned. So if I'm calling entropy, do I the call? Yeah, this is my return value. This should be SE. Return value, it's an array. This value, visible label. No, it's not the mean. Should be just fs. fs return type. Yeah, it's a double array of double. Should this array be maybe it's the array shape. Click value, insert, reshape. That array should be okay. I don't get it. Obviously that just returns an easy solution for that. Let's check noise series, not the return value. Create indicator. Yeah, this is the Y array. Yeah, this is the this should be the return. It's not returning anything, so it just doesn't work. Should return like 10, 15 values or so. 16 values, same as on this plot. It should still close this. Yeah, this still runs. Turn type. What's this in Matlab? An array. One also says array including multidimensional arrays. If it's a cluster. Yeah, in Matlab it's not specified what the variable type is. We can try a multidimensional array. If we turn this, add dimension, create indicator. Okay, get the answers in there. Is it possible? That's a cluster. Cluster of remove dimension. sizing, size to fit. Create indicator. Could be what does it? What's this called? Lab return type. Type of variable. Type of class. Class SE double. The double array, right? Possible it's just double. By the way, in Labview, you cannot zoom in, which is pretty annoying. But in the new possible, this output, it's just a single double. No. Don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, we have to leave it alone for a bit. Doesn't work. It's just why that's the input array. The return value. Return type. Okay. Return type. Yay, I reached 30 subscribers on YouTube. By the way, this is what the new look of my channel. You know if any designers, graphic designers, who are probably very uncomfortable with this. That's what happens when you do it yourself. Yeah, I wonder what you think about this font. It's just pretty random. I don't know. Is it even readable? But it's yeah. This background thing on YouTube just wanted it to be larger, so it meant to cover all the space. Because when you actually, if you customize channel and you go, where is it? In yeah, when you select this, it then tells you how it's gonna. I don't know if surely no one is watching YouTube on their television, but maybe people do. Or probably they do. That's what will be visible on any device, and this then it will stretch it out for desktop. So ideally, I should have something in the corners there and here as well. But yeah, we'll probably need a professional graphic designer for something like that. And I've been already streaming for an hour and a half, and this thing is just not working for me for whatever reason. It's yeah, perhaps do not do Matlab integration. It's weird. Should be move this into class the constant. That's what they do. The example cluster of double sizing fit to size. Then they take the cluster. Okay. No. Cluster bundle name. Just create indicator. Oh, come on. Again, this thing should be an array. What's the same? The same. I close, does this erases that? Closing the Matlab session, erase be separate. This bad practice. This collection. You can put in a sequence and this frame before. It's don't do this at home. I'm just testing if this close Matlab session also removes, it deletes the output. It shouldn't be the case, but no, still empty. Still empty. Should be an array. We need to test the nav. Need to test the different Matlab function. I don't know. That just stopped working. Need the T. This could be just S E entropy. This could be 1. This can be deleted, should just work. Xn is the input. Enable this. Why? Right. It's actually working. Get something now. Oh, ridiculous. Why is it only one value? Yeah, I get the one value. Okay, this is progress. I know it's a bit, what's it called, anticlimactic, but it's a big progress. So now what the problem with this Matlab scripts, it's obviously working. Yeah, this one 0.96 number, it's just just an average or something of those. Yeah, but that's more likely. Looks to be, seem to be the average. Even though size. Size. Get size of size of 1. And the input array should be 1024, whatever. Yeah, if we want to add anything, so essentially changing the API, it's called serial statistical analysis. We didn't do proper version control, but that's okay, I think. To save that. This just works, surprisingly. But returns single number. Which still makes sense. Can remove that. Yeah, we can try the same thing in Python. Session in module. Yeah, this would be messy, wouldn't it? Because I meant to have like 2 versions of Python installed, so on and so forth. Git ignore. I think it's this folder. Yes, we need to have Python 3.8. Wait, now I'm confused. Oh, Python 3.11 something. Right, this will have, yeah, Python 3.11 and Python 3.8 to update Visual Studio. Do I need to do it now? No, probably not. Peep requirements. Peep requirements. Yeah, it is peep requirements. Does it? Detect. So do I have? Right. I have 3 point. Seems like I do. Okay, I'll update it now. It will keep popping up this message, will it? This is all open source anyway. No, I mean this one isn't at the moment, but I'm happy to make it. That I actually do have. That's what the Git. By the way, on Git. Git. on get first. Just testing the beta. Uh, yes, sorry for the ads. If you see, I thought it's not supposed to. It's not showing me ads anymore because it's just me testing my own website, right? But it should know that I'm on the same IP die. Okay, I'll do it later. Stuffed my GitHub. Okay, needed a reload. I don't know why does it need so many restarts. It was called Visual Studio. That code is running. Then I have it's better than 190. Put Alt F. That's actually another shortcut. So I wanted to add. Right, now there's more ads. Okay, this is implants. Implants. What implants? It was still trying to, because uh, the Google film was trying to figure out where to place the ads, and it decided to put one just over here, which is ridiculous. Why would you do that? Yeah, it will be putting like it will be putting that in random locations. So sorry for that. I can actually go and have more control over these things. How about I do it straight away? What came up? This is it's trying. Yeah, it's obviously trying to show. Oh, this is bad. It's trying to show the ad like over here. Ooh, but it's having trouble. Why my screen size is different? Now it's that's probably the smallest screen. So what if you just have this thing like not opening to full screen? Oh, this analyzing stuff. Yeah, what if it just opens up to here? Would it try and place an ad there? So but it's why I was like really struggling trying to put that ad. Why is it showing me ads like I'm accessing it from the same machine? Yeah. nice that it's taking it out. It's doing its own thing. So I can try and remove some of them or something, but it will be chasing my own tail. Just need to fix things on this. The layout will change anyway, and they will keep trying putting the ads in various places. I think you can have like control of the like what ads display and how many of them are there. But when I'm using the site, I can just I can just close the website. Yeah, I probably should just leave the because of this bloody ads. I can just show. Yeah, so from now on, I should be just using this. Yeah, this will be so much better. I would still need to test my site, right? So that when I'm testing my site, I'll be watching my own ads. How good is that? What if I like, say, put this LEDs here? I mean, ooh, I know. So these two LEDs will be there on the side. I want to show the entropy from Matlab. I need another one of these screens here. Should be Matlab. It's fine. Should yeah. If Google's trying to place an ad there, I could just leave it some space to do it like on the side. That's what other sites are doing. I don't know. This will be entropy from Matlab. To place it here, and in the I have to change the API. This thing, which I still don't know why it's just why is it just one number? It should be an array. That thing should be, if it is just one number, can just leave it one number. Add output, see, create indicator. No, come on. See. Oh, come on. Add output. Right, just double. B array. Ooh, Labview just crashed on me. That's not fun. And that must be the Matlab integration. Yeah, yeah, it was happening to me before, like last week or something. Yeah, yeah, I can recover its mirror. Yeah, so essentially when you get an error, which meant to be a Matlab error, it just crashes Labview. That shouldn't be the case. Any of the Labview people listening? Yeah, this is not a Matlab problem. This is the Labview thing. Yes, now it's working okay. Right. And Matlab didn't return. That's silly. Essentially, I think Matlab can be closed or something. Not sure. It's the refresh thing for this. If I'm looking at this window, this number just drops to 0. The graph drops to 0. This one remains 2. And when I move this window around, it refreshes. No comment. Okay, so now we're not plotting the thing, it's just returning me a one number even though it's wrong. It should be giving me an array of 30. 30? Yes. See? What? This works, but returns only one number. Just better than nothing. This one number I can add to the values. Array. Array. This is Matlab entropy returned by the pentropy function, whatever that means. Why is it called? Turns this time series spectral entropy. Returning multiple values. But one value is better than nothing. Now, okay. SE, yes, this thing can go No, property node, value, entropy. So we have entropy, it's there. So this is Labview entropy, and that's Matlab entropy. By the way, my YouTube videos is transcribed, but sometimes YouTube takes forever to actually transcribe something. Yes, I'm putting them as they're using the transcription for, well, record keeping, but changing the description of the video, but also using it as a blog. So what is that? Repeat. And yeah, that's that article saying how you should use these nodes, Matlab function nodes, instead of the old, supposedly old Matlab scripts. Even though the script was in this case doing something, it's pretty random. Anyway, so I made the Matlab entropy, added it here, and these values, they're part of the API. So if I publish this API, which I do from here, save it. Should have created another a copy of it because that's the one. That's the one I'm actually using as the current version. This one here just says, but then just take these values. So in theory, this API should still this HTML and everything, this stuff. It's generating the HTML and that deployment for sure. That warning controls and wire you want to wire. Yeah, whatever. It's controls and wire you want to wire. It's working fine. I mean, that's how actually Labview telling you to use it. Two and a half hours in, getting to the video bit. Need to record a video. That's not ready. I need a new. I'll do the video if I'm able to release this beta. I could just do in entropy. I can place a link to beta. This one will have a that's a link to entropy on the main page, right? Then when I open it, Sorry, when this gets open, it's meant to be the stable version. So after I compile, so let me check. So this is working. Yeah, and that one is working. Control. Yeah, and this one's not showing anything. That's okay. Then if I compile this API, I should have an extra, now it's what, 10, 11 or something, it will have an extra entry in values, which is fine because the current entropy HTML should still just work, right? Can I publish this without breaking anything? Maybe. Let's try. So how long this takes. We don't have to do a new video if there's no tool ready. Then it is what it is. I mean, there's the live stream. But it could be boring as. If live stream this 2.5 hours, I will shorten it to, yeah, maybe there would be like 15, 20 minutes of good stuff. I can do it later. The API is working. Let's check if entropy is still running. Yes, this is good. Now this should be the same. Oops. Yeah, almost lost my Bluetooth headset. Working, and this bit should go to B11. Should be 11. Just clean things up. Should be like that. Oops. This is fine. B. Okay. Be Matlab, so this is the entry from Matlab, and this should be the values 1. Should be 11. Save that. It should be 0.95 or something. Yeah, it's okay. It's comparing Labview and Matlab entropy. Yeah, I don't know for the ads. I should leave space on the sign for the Google Ads. Otherwise, Google's trying to place them in like random spots, like on this tool, trying to put it in there, like over this indicator. It's only trying to do it when the indicator is empty or something. Yeah, it's not doing it again. Should have it on video. It was trying to put an ad there. So the question is, should I just give it some space? We can say place them here on the side. B. And then we have the entropy. So this there's no link to the entropy beta at the moment. And that's the old version because I haven't published it yet. So once so if this is working, that needs more work as well. If that's well, that bit is working. This one needs more work. Should be Matlab. Can this be published? This would be like a more stable release. There was some other problems. Right. Then this one only generating random noise at the moment. So now it's working again. I had to change. I had a similar problem before. I had to change the name of the HTML. I don't know if there's any web developers who are watching. Is it a thing about could be just a browser? Yeah, could be just a browser thing. Yeah, Chrome. Yeah, this is working. Right, so just because Chrome was also not taking updates, so I will make an update and we'll just keep displaying the old thing. So now you have the beta. It's not working. And we have beta underscore 2. It's working in okay, this is getting ridiculous. It's only 3 hour stream. Made some progress, but yeah, the kind of stuff that could have been done in like should have been done in 20 minutes or so. But yes, we have a beta too. I mean, on this HTMLs are fine. I don't know why on some browsers there's sometimes just not loading. You can check. You can check Firefox as well. Loading, okay. Running. Entropy. Beta. Running. Uh, Beta 2. It's running as well. It just spent half an hour, nothing. It's a browser thing. Yeah. Yeah, I know I already said it like multiple times, but that thing in the bottom, the idea was to have proper graph. I don't know. Probably Python people will say you can do it in 2 seconds. But yeah, I was struggling with it. It meant to be the median self and confidence intervals, so like a grayed out area. It's meant to be, if you just go a confidence interval, it shows you things like that, which is fine, which it is what it is. But then you have a time forecast, yeah, time series, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's when they should show when you do predictions. But I'm just looking at something simple. Anyway, just a type of graph. I'm not talking about what it is. It is what it is. So that will be next. Yeah, I'll just finish by saying, yeah, then this what's called Digital Health Week 2023. It was all great and nice until I realized I'm just a bit wasting my time there. It's like super generic, unbelievably generic. People talking about Chat GPT was mentioned like 100 times. AI was mentioned like 1,000 times. ML was mentioned like 500 times, and it's all by yeah, yeah. Don't get me started. Uh, yeah, so please, if you talk about machine learning or artificial intelligence, ChatGPT in a professional setting, if you're not an expert, just don't. I mean, on YouTube, anything goes. But in the what's meant to be a professional conference, uh, yeah, just bring on an expert. Might finish there. Stop streaming. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.